start with, I wish you a happy new year. I have every right to wish you a happy new year because we are still in January. I don't know how long January is trying to take us, but we are still in January nevertheless. And the last time I did a video was last year, and so I have every right to wish you guys a happy new year. Well, this year I wish you guys the best of everything, as I usually say, and also I hope you guys stick around with me as I bring to you whatever I have in stock for this year for you guys. So I hope 2023 happens to be the best of years for you guys, and I don't have much to say. So diving straight into the video. Well, this year I happened to visit a friend in another city in Morocco. So this friend of mine, well, I should say he is a cousin already or a brother. When I came to Morocco, it was through him that I had a lot of information about the country, and so he was doing medicine. So finally he graduated after studying for 8 years or 7 years, I'm not really sure. So I went there, and then we had the celebration, the graduation and whatever. So I asked him some few questions I felt like you guys would need. I mean, those who follow me, and then those who are planning to study medicine, and what medicine have in stock, particularly for people who are studying here in Morocco, and then what you can do afterwards after studying medicine. So he answered some few questions, and I don't want to spend much of your time, and let's just watch that video, and when we are done, I can react to it and give my comment about it. So just watch the video.
My name is Blebu Richard. I am from Ghana, but currently in Morocco. And the reason for being in Morocco is for my studies. And today is the day where I'll be graduating.
Okay. So how do you feel?
I'm a bit excited. Like looking back at where I'm coming from and up to this point, I'm excited for this day. Yeah. So I'm expecting that the day is going to be a great day.
Yeah. Introducing yourself, you said you chose Morocco. I mean, you are studying in Morocco. Why did you choose Morocco?
You know, I chose Morocco because it is a scholarship from the government of Ghana. You know, I started medicine in University of Ghana before I came here. But I was a fee-paying student, and there was someone who was responsible for paying, and this person was okay to pay. But before I went to University of Ghana, I started the process to become, to have the scholarship. But the scholarship delayed a bit, so I went forward with the application to University of Ghana. Whilst I was beginning the University of Ghana, we are finishing the first semester, I had a call from the scholarship secretariat that the scholarship that I was working on has worked out. So, would I like to go? I said, yeah, I would like to go. So that I think the money that will be used on me can be used to sponsor other people. Yeah, because the person responsible was just a benevolent person. So that money can be used to look after a lot of people. So that's the reason why I'm in Morocco.
That's very great. Please, can you tell me, you started medical school in Ghana then. So do you think, as compared to Ghana, the medical school year over here is better or is kind of the same thing? That's just comparing your first year.
Okay, when I started University of Ghana, we were just doing the basics of the medicine, that's basic sciences, physics, biology, and all of that. I didn't really get into the medicine in University of Ghana. But you know, from reading literature and all of that, we know that medicine is medicine. Just by wherever you are, medicine is medicine. Then I feel like the same content is available.
Do you have any regrets?
No, I will not say it's a regret. You know, I've learned so much along this journey. I mean, invaluable lessons, and how to be responsible for yourself. You know, how to pay your rent, how to pay your electricity bill. All of that is important. You know, those are invaluable lessons that I might not get when I'm in Ghana.
Okay, so that means it's worth it. You coming here, you really benefited from it.
Yes.
Okay.
Coming to Morocco has been a blessing for me.
So what's one benefit that you really enjoyed from being in Morocco that you can share with our people?
One benefit that I've enjoyed.
That you really think it's an important benefit to you.
You know, the way I live my life here, I'm the freedom. You know, the most important one is for me is the freedom. I decide when I want to go out, what I want to eat, and you know, that freedom is the most important thing for me here. I've been able to be free to do whatever I like, and that's so much important for me. I mean, that's one of the reasons why I came to Morocco, so that I'll be free, you know, to be myself. And that's the one of the benefit I enjoy so much for being in Morocco.
So today marking an important day of you completing the medical school. What is the way forward from here?
Yes, you know, from the scholarship that we had, you are supposed to go back to Ghana when you are done with your exams. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to going back to Ghana when I'm done, you know, to render my services to the country. You know, we all hope that the country goes forward. So if this is the way I can contribute my quota to it, I'm going there to enter into the medical system in Ghana. Yeah.
Okay, in a form of advice, what else can you do after completing medical school?
As an international student from Ghana, in general.
In general.
In general.
Or and considering the fact that you completed Morocco.
You know, like for example, if you are on your own, if your parents send you to Morocco, I can say maybe there are a lot of opportunities. You know, you can go to other countries. You can even continue. You can become a specialist here. You know, if you complete there's an exam that you have to pass. If you are able to pass that exam, you can become a resident. All right. If you are on your own, I would advise that you just get into the system and continue with your studies and become a specialist. But I don't know. Me, in my case, I feel like because it's the state that took care of me, I feel like I'm owing the state that I need to pay them back. Yeah, so I feel like I want to pay that debt I'm owing the state. I need to pay them back. So, but I know of other people who are on their own. They've been to France, Canada, and all of that. There are always that available. But me, my situation, because it's the state that brought me here, I feel like I need to do something to them.
Okay. One advice to anybody who wants to come and study in Morocco or who is studying in Morocco and doing medicine, especially.
It's just not an easy journey though. It's not an easy one. You know, being far away from your country, that family support is away from you. And you have to find a way to cope with the new life that you'll be having. And it's not easy. It's not easy. But it's doable. It's doable. Just that you study a lot, you read a lot, and it's possible. The only thing I can say is it is possible. So far as you're able to pass your secondary school or baccalaureate with good grades, that means that you have the potential. If you put in the work, you can do the medicine. So we can really do the medicine, yes.
Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. All right.
And thank you so much for the support.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well, let me give you my honest opinion about the school year. So when I first entered the school, I was like, wow, well, I don't want to sound like an ambulance right now. I would have added another wow to it. But then I feel like when it comes to how beautiful their school is as compared to my school, I mean, I'll put their school first. But, you know, my school is always the best when it comes to academic works and everything. Well, don't mind the body, mind the engine, that's what someone will say. And so definitely we are talking about the content, not the container. And aside that too, I felt like I've been there before, but this is the first time I even went ahead to shoot some videos, you know, made some friends. And yeah, I think I really enjoyed this particular graduation because they will let you do your own thing. But one thing about graduating in Morocco as a medical student is that it's just like doing research. Well, you would have to defend your thesis. So that's how it was at the end of the day. So my cousin actually defended his thesis. And yeah, at the end of the day, he came out as, as an honorable student, because in medicine, let me tell you one secret, we don't actually grade, we only have something we call pass. So at the end of the day, he passed, and then he's now ready and very hot in the market as a medical doctor. So I think now he can start working. Well, he has answered all the questions, whatever he wants to do. So I hope you guys have taken a lot out of this, and I hope it will go a very long way to help you. And trust me, he has answered everything. I don't want to say much. All you have to do is just remember to actually subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed yet, and then click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And I'm here to stay for this year once again. Trust me, I know I am someone who is not much concerned because I have a lot of things to do, but I will do my best to bring to you guys each and every week a very good content for you guys to assimilate. And aside that, I think if you know someone who is in need of this video, you can just share it. So all you have to do is click on the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video as well. And basically, I did a video about what's next after medical school. So he has said something, but I think I had a lot to say in this video. So just check this video out, and I think you would love it. So see you guys in the next one.